Hello everybody, Matthew with Parkway Business Solutions again, and today's video is a quick video showing you the process to go through applying for Mechanics Bank, also known as Rabobank. Basically, these are the things that they're asking for. It's going to be your 2019 payroll, total payroll for full year 2019 by employee as reported to the IRS. Now, the one that's confusing to everybody at this time, of course, is that 2019 independent contractor costs. While we still think there's going to be some kind of a fundamental change with this, what it's telling us here, of course, is a listing of 1099s miss for the 2019 independent contractors by person as reported to the IRS. Note, do not include 1099s for services. So I want to stress this is my interpretation of this and assumption. What we believe this to be is you have certain things like legal fees, or actually that might be a service, but rent really is what we're doing here. You would actually provide a 1099 for any rent that you paid during the year. So we're adding that into this specific area. How we're trying to make sure we're doing this correctly is this process with Mechanics Bank gives you the ability through these drop downs. You can basically upload 5 files, 5, that's it. And they give you a drop down choice between 2019 payroll, 2019 1099, 2020 payroll, the loan application, as well as other. So what we've done is in the description is very open-ended. We typed in a pretty good amount of stuff and we didn't reach the end like there was a character limit. So we tried to really explain any questions or anything we had of concern inside of that description field, and then we uploaded the file. Part of what we did is we would take any of the documentation we had, we would print to PDF so we could then combine those all together for anything that was supporting. So like for the loan application, we chose to attach a statement of information, from the California SOS, as well as I also added in a quick one-pager showing how we calculated the total payroll cost, hoping that it would just be supporting evidence. So all of that stuff became combined together in one single document titled appropriate to where we get uploaded. For 2019 payroll, same kind of situation. We took any kind of different reports we had to run, made sure we could print them to PDF that was legible, and then made it into a single document, and then again described what it was that we were doing. For the 2019 1099, we actually put on there that we felt it was a bit confusing and explained that we specifically put only the rent amount in. There were other subcontractors, and the hope there is that when human eyes land on this, if there's a question or a challenge, that it'll give us the opportunity to speak to somebody, of course, as well. And the last one, which is the 2020 payroll. So this is asking for a payroll report as of February 15th, 2020, or closest date after that date by employee. So we interpreted that, again, interpretation, that it's asking for payroll basically from the beginning year up to February 15th, which we noted again in the description in case they were asking from February 15th forward, because we can't talk to somebody first about this. So hopefully at least giving you some ideas of what we were doing. I will let you know afterwards if we did it right or not. But I'm going to go through now, and actually I'm going to take all of my descriptions, Control A, and I'm going to go to a blank Word document. I'm going to paste them in. Control A, copy, because I've heard that this could time out and stall out. So the one thing that would really have me spending more time is if this was to die and I had to come back in and try to rewrite these things. So on my other screen, I'm literally just Word document, just pulling and populating it real quick there. Now, number 5, we didn't have a need for other documents. You could maybe do your quarterlies, but it's not really asking for that. But that would be the primary process here. Now we'll click on upload. Womp, womp, womp. So just like we thought that might happen, because they've been sitting there for a bit, that would be the next step, is you'd click the upload and you get basically a response. So let's see if somehow I'm lucky and it will take it this time. Files are there. Okay. So what I'm going to do is have to go back to the email, try to find the correct link. I've heard this exact same thing happen to quite a few people. Find the link, upload the docs, put it back in, and try to go through it really, really fast, basically. So I hope at least this part of the process helps out, and we will keep trying to make these quick guides on any new bank we do the submissions through. In case anybody wants to know, we still have not received any word back on our own EIDL loan yet. Today is day 4, as in business days. So by tomorrow, I'll be calling over to SBDC to try to find out more details. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.